Hello, welcome back to AyaansMath. Today we are going to see one Olympiad and logical question. The question is given: solve root of x plus y minus root of x minus y plus root of x square minus y square equal to 5. 2x plus 3 root of x square minus y square is equal to 90. So as you are going to solve this logical, critical and Olympiad problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So how to solve this problem? Let us take this as equation 1 and let us take this as equation 2. So I am going to do some adjustment in equation 2. So here 2x I am writing as root of x plus y whole square plus root of x minus y whole square plus 3 root of x square minus y square is equal to 19. If any easy methods are there, you can comment in the comment box. You can give the suggestions. So this can be written as root of x plus y whole square, or you can write it as root of x plus y minus root of x minus y whole square plus 5 root of x square minus y square is equal to 19. Let it be 3. So here you'll get minus 2 root of x square y square plus you have to add both sides. Those get cancelled. Now from one we are having root of x plus y minus root of x minus y is equal to 5 minus root of x square minus y square. From first equation we are getting this. Now replace this value in 3. Replace this value in 3, then what will get 5 minus root of x square minus y square whole square plus 5 root of x square minus y square is equal to 19. Now if you open this bracket, 5 square 25 plus root of x square minus y square whole square minus 10 root of x square minus y square plus 5 root of x square minus y square is equal to 90. Now here if you solve this, x square minus y square whole square minus 5 root of x square minus y square plus 6 is equal to 0. You got a quadratic in root of x square minus y square. So root of x square minus y square you are taking as k. That implies what will get here k square minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0. Now here you'll get the factors k minus 3 into k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here you'll get two cases, k is equal to 3 and the second case k is equal to 2. So what is the k value? Root of x square minus y square equal to 3. So here what is the k value? Root of x square minus y square is equal to 2. Okay. Now here squaring on both sides. Okay, here we'll substitute in second equation. So here in second equation, if you substitute the value of k, 2x plus 3 into writing a k value in second one. So k value 3 is equal to 19. So 2x is equal to 19 minus 9. 2x equal to 10. X is equal to 5. Now if you substitute the value of k in second equation, 2x plus 3 into 2 is equal to 19. 2x is equal to 19 minus 6. So 2x is equal to 30 now. X is equal to 13 by 2. Now if you replace this in k value, so what will get? Root of, replacing this value here in this, replacing this value here, root of 25 minus y square is equal to 3. 25 minus y square is equal to 9, squaring on both sides. So y square, 25 minus 9 equal to y square. Y square is equal to 16. Y is equal to plus or minus 4. Now you are getting the values of xy, 5 comma 4, 5 comma minus 4. X comma y values, you are getting two values here. Now if you take the second one, square root of 169 by 4 minus y square is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides, 169 by 4 minus 4 equal to y square. 169 minus 16 by 4 equal to y square. Y square is equal to 153 by 4, that is equal to y value plus or minus root 153 by 2. So the values of x comma y, 13 by 2 comma root 153 by 2, and the second one is 13 by 2 comma minus root of 153 by 2. So here all the values does not satisfy the equation. So the solution what we are getting is 5 comma 4 and 13 by 2 comma root 153 by 2 satisfy the equation. I hope this information is valuable for you. If you think so, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends.